Hey there, thanks for joining me. This video is a remake of an earlier one. It was one of my early tutorials and now it makes me cringe a little when I watch it. I feel now I can do better with a little more experience under my belt. I will let you be the judge of that. Perhaps you will be kind enough to let me know in the comments if you think I have improved. Let's get started. The first thing we do is fill the canvas with a sky color. Select a white watercolor brush with 50% thinners. In other words, a brush with some transparency. Size set to a size of at least 200%. On the same sky layer, doodle cloud shapes. That's basically all there is to it. From there you can experiment with black to make storm clouds and blur the edges as needed. Well, how was it? I hope you gained some ideas for painting clouds and that you enjoyed the process. Let me know in the comments and I would appreciate it so much if you would like and subscribe. I realize this niche is rather small, but I hope my videos of interest and I'm always open to suggestions. Hoping to see you again.